Hey guys, Ron Harris from Renascent Mastermind coming out of COVID hiding with my COVID beard. Those of you know me, I have a Fu Manchu and now I got a full beard. Wife doesn't like it. Great experiment. Hey, but my wife and I, Angelina Harris and Ron Harris with Renascent Mastermind, we're coming to Millionaire Possibilities May 6th at 7 o'clock to talk about leveling up. What you can do in your business, your personal, your spiritual, your financial, all these things are all tied together. But leveling up your business. And the child you can't see who is not listening about distraction. But we're going to be talking about level up in 90 minutes. We're going to try to cram pack the good, the bad, and all the funny stories in our journey from all kinds of stuff we've done to learn what not to do, what to do. So if you're just beginning, there's a lot of things you need to learn, but a lot of things you need to stop doing. Too much information. If you're intermediate and been around for just a little bit, there's some things you can do and pivot and improve on your business. If you're experienced and advanced and been around for a long time, you're not the old dog that can't learn new tricks. There's all kinds of things you can do to continue your business to grow, and you're on a different type of journey at that moment. So we talk about those things. So Ron Harris, Angelina Harris with Renascent Mastermind coming to Millionaire Possibilities, mpmeeting.com. or meetup.com/MPREIA, which stands for the Real Estate Investor Association. So MPREIA. You can go out and come see us. We're going to talk about all kinds of stuff. We're going to try to cram in a short amount of time the 4-hour work week, E-Myth, work the system, the one thing, Essentialism, the science of getting rich. It's all about time management and laser-like focus and doing the things you need to do and undoing the things you shouldn't be doing, right? I've already made all the mistakes you haven't even made yet. I've done it, I've been there, I know. I have a 3-hour story about cut the tail, but I'll have to do it in 10 minutes. I mean, there's so much stuff that you're doing that you can improve on your life and your business, and it's all about what's sitting below my feet, sitting on my toes, the future, our children, or your grandchildren, right? Or what are you going to do with the money? Who are you going to give it away to, and who are you going to help? But leveling up in your business is about getting your business in order. And we all have a little bit of a different journey, but we're all heading the same direction. And so we'll be talking about those things and try to share with you some personal insights and insights from our students. We've coached hundreds of students in real estate investing and entrepreneurship and help people sell their business and automate their business and get things eliminated in their business. We've helped them do things so they can get started in their real estate business, and we've done all kinds of stuff there's so much stuff as a mentor and business coach that we've done and seen and heard in the conversations that we try to share that with you in a short amount of time so you can walk away. If you can get one thing, as my dad always say, just by showing if you get one thing, tiny or gigantic, to your business or your personal life or a relationship, it can make the world of difference. It can make it all worth it. If you get one thing, it will make it all worth it. And if you know me, because I'm a night owl, if you see me at a meeting, it's a 99.99999% chance that we're going to the meeting after the meeting. Learned from my dad. There's always the meeting after the meeting where we go break bread together, whether you're into tea, water, milk, beer, air. Very, very important. Whatever you're into, even if you don't want to eat, just have some water, have a conversation, let's break bread together. Anywhere from 10 to 30 people come to, and we go to an event somewhere afterwards. So the meeting after meeting. Okay, so again, May 6th, 7 o'clock, 2021, Millionaire Possibilities. If you come at 6:30, they have pre-networking and some food, right, for free, and you can do all the fun stuff there. And then we'll have the meeting around 7 o'clock, right? And then afterwards, you have the meeting after meeting, so you can be immersed in all the things you need to learn about leveling up. Again, Ron Harris, Angelina Harris, we're the Renascent Mastermind. We're speaking at Millionaire Possibilities, May 6, 2021, at 7 o'clock. It's free first time at the door, and after that, I think it's $25 at the door, and the membership ends up saving you a lot of money. It's a business expense, so bring a friend. Let's have a good time. Let's have some laughs, and it's all about, for me, hey, don't touch that! Ah! All right. She's a little under the weather, so Daddy's doing daddy duty, stay-at-home dad, and I love it. Say hi.
Hi.
They're watching you. Oh no! What? You got any wisdom? Something you gonna say? Say something about focus.
No, please.
What do you say? What do you do about focus? Daddy's not focused? No, yeah, no. Yeah, sometimes. Focused about you? Okay. Say bye, everyone. Say bye. Thanks for watching.
That was a short video.
That was a short video?
Yeah.
You sure?
Short.
Let me sit up here. Let me do an interview with you. Okay, I'll watch this. Alright. Hey guys, Ron Harris coming out of COVID hiding with my COVID beard. Some of you guys know me, I've had a Fu Manchu, now I've got a full beard. Great excuse, my wife didn't like it, but hey. Hey guys, Ron Harris from Renascent Mastermind coming to you. I already messed up. Gotta try again. Having a child I can see approaching me because she's not listening because she thinks she's gonna sneak up on me, but she's distracting. Hey, sit over there, come back, I see you. I see you. So my daughter's trying to raise her hand. Whoa, he's not feeling too well. And so, association, I heard a toot over here, and then
things we're gonna try to combine in 90 minutes is the one thing, the 4-hour work week, essentialism, signs of getting rich.
my daughter's coming up here because she's interested in what we're doing because she's part of that plan. So, 4-hour work week, the E-Myth, work the system. Yeah. Not working, baby.
What?
And my daughter is very distracted. Awesome distraction. She wants to say something. She's not feeling too good. Say bye.
Bye.
Okay, we'll see you soon.
Yeah.
Thumbs up.
Yay!
Yay!
Why is that girl not feeling so good?
Oh, because you're not feeling so good.
Alright, but why is that a
Who are you talking about?
He's got a round
Who's got to tell you what are you talking about?
No, he doesn't say that.
Oh, is he not feeling good too?
No, he's a little bit.
Hmm.
They have a tiny cavity there.
Who's got a tiny cavity?
No, that's.
Hmm.
No, that's. It's my face.
I can see you. I know what.
No.
What about no?
No. Yeah.
Yeah, what?
Oh, yeah, pet. What name is it? And what animal? It's gonna talk to me. Tiger? I don't know. He's in there. It's a toy.
Oh yeah.
He lives in the white.
Oh, you sure?
He likes white.
Hmm.
I don't live there because it's too bright. So I had to wear my sunglasses and down some bright. But it is very hot in there. So I had to get some warm toasty
Oh yeah.
so I don't get burned.
Oh no. That's a lot. That is a lot. You sure? Daddy's not focused enough? That's probably true. What else?
Okay, yeah, I did. I'll be back.
So tell him, what are you gonna do? What's it all about?
Be focused.
Be focused. Well, guys, it's time. She's not feeling good, so say bye, everyone.
Bye, everyone.
See you later. We'll see you next time.
I'll see you.
We'll see you next time.
Pet.
Bye.
Ah!
See ya. Hey guys, Ron Harris from Renascent Mastermind to come to let you know that we, my wife and I, are speaking at Millionaire Possibilities May 6, 2021 at 7 o'clock to talk about leveling up in your business, what you can do to level up your business. And so go to mpmedia.com, or if you're on Meetup, go to meetup.com/MPREIA, which is the Real Estate Investor Association. We're going to be speaking about all kinds of things, the good, the bad, the funny, and in between, and all the things that we've done in our lives and our business to get to where we are today, where we can do what we want, when we want, how we want. And so we're going to share with you the things you can do from the books. We're going to try to cram in so much stuff in 90 minutes about the 4-hour work week, the E-Myth, work the system, science of getting rich, Essentialism, one thing, and some other things we've done about how to level up in your real estate business. So if you're just getting started, there's a whole bunch of stuff you need to know and not do. If you're intermediate and still trying to figure things out, there's some things you can do to improve your business. And if you're advanced or you've been around for a long time, there's some things, you're not an old dog that can't learn new tricks. There's some things you can do in your business that can change your business as you pivot or change and continue to consolidate and level up. And so we always joke is, can you eliminate it, can you automate it, or outsource it? I'm really known for a lot of outsourcing. My wife says I don't do anything, which is kind of true. That's part of the secret, right? And so the joke is that I always say that I like to do things right the first time, and wife she has to come back and fix it. And so Millionaire Possibilities, 6 o'clock or 6:30 is going to be the pre-networking where you can have free food, pre-networking, and at 7 o'clock they'll start the meeting up, and we'll talk about all the things you can do in your business and real estate business. And then if you know me, there's always the meeting after the meeting where we're going to break bread together, where if you're into tea, water, milk, beer, air, very, very important. That's where we break bread and carry on the conversation and build those relationships. So afterwards, we always go to some little restaurant that takes good care of us. So again, Ron Harris and Angelina Harris with Renascent Mastermind. We're speaking at May 6th at 2021 at 7 o'clock. When we talk about leveling up your business in your real estate business, and it all comes tied together to everything in your life. And if you come, I have a special gift that I've only been testing with myself and a few students. I'm going to be giving you a special gift that I made just for this event for you guys. You can walk out with something physical and something cool. And I was practicing part of the talk with one of my students. She says, "Ron, you're going to make people cry." I'm like, well, it's probably going to be pretty important when you figure out what it is, because it makes me realize that I need to be doing better and choose wisely with the things I spend my time. You know, right now my daughter's over here in the corner looking at me because she's not feeling so good. Hi. It's all about that, right? It's about the future legacy, or who you're going to help afterwards. And so you can't take it with you, so let's do something with it. So again, Ron Harris and Angelina Harris with Renascent Mastermind, speaking at Millionaire Possibilities, May 6, 2021. Come see us. First time's free. After that, I think there's $25 at the door. Get a membership. It's great. Be around your peers and like-minded people. We have anywhere from 60 to 100 people show up. Even with COVID, now there's my COVID beard, right? Some of you guys know I have Fu Manchu, but people are there. Bring your mask, hang out, have great conversations. Let's network. Let's learn something. We'll see you soon.